In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trust badges to your Shopify store using an app. Trust badges, sometimes called trust seals, are those small, reassuring icons that show things like secure checkout, accepted payment methods, or money-back guarantees. They build confidence, reduce hesitation, and can gently lift conversions, especially on product pages where shoppers decide whether to add to cart. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left-hand side, navigate to Sales Channels, then select Online Store, and open the Apps section. This is your launch point for the Shopify App Store, where you'll find tools designed specifically for adding polished professional trust badges without touching code. In the App Store search bar, type Trust Badges or Trust Seals. You'll see a range of options, from lightweight badge adders to robust design suites that include animations, color presets, and pre-designed templates. Take a moment to skim the descriptions and reviews. Check the screenshots to see how badges look on product pages. And note whether the app offers features you care about, like customizable icons, placement controls, or compatibility with your theme. Many apps have a free plan or trial, which is handy if you want to test before you commit. Once you've picked an app that fits your needs, click to install it and follow the prompts the app provides. Installation typically takes just a minute. The app will guide you through any necessary permissions and then drop you into its setup flow. Now it's time to customize your badges. Head into the app's settings, select the badge style or template, and adjust colors and sizing to match your brand. If the app offers animations, keep them subtle and smooth so they enhance trust without distracting from the product. Most apps let you choose exactly where badges appear. The most effective placement is usually on the product page, commonly below the price or near the Add to Cart button, so shoppers see them right when they're deciding. Some apps also allow placement in additional areas. If you explore those, keep your design consistent and avoid clutter so the message remains clear. Use the app's preview to see how the badges look on desktop and mobile, and make small adjustments for spacing and readability. When it looks right, save your settings and check a live product page to confirm everything displays correctly. That's it. Your trust badges are live, helping visitors feel confident and ready to buy.